Hello everybody. Hi everyone. I think this is like the favorite place in this house. My favorite place in this house. Hi everyone, my name is Olamide. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, okay, excuse me. Let me just wear my jacket because I'm going out to do groceries. Today is Saturday and I'm starting a new vlog. I've actually missed vlogging now. I feel like when I vlog a lot, I say I miss sit down videos, but now I've actually missed vlogging. I think that you guys kind of missed it. I feel like you guys prefer when I vlog than when I do sit down videos. I don't know, but I'd like to think so based on the stats that I see. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olamide and I film about beauty, lifestyle, education, random stuff, content, and all that good stuff. So if you're new here, welcome. Where have you been? Where have you been? Please do us to like, share, subscribe while you're here. Welcome to Chill with Lami. I am a Nigerian based in the UK. Yeah, that's basically about me. If you want to know so much about me, just watch this video, just watch this video and watch other videos. Just be watching and be watching and be watching and be watching, and then you see like my story and my journey so far. I feel like that's like the best way to understand me, and so it's not what I do, what I like, things like that. Just catch up with me basically. So today's video, like I said, is going to be a vlog. I really do not know. I think it's going to be like a week in my life. I'm not particularly sure how this video is going to go, but I'm just going to vlog. So I'm apologizing in advance in case it feels like, oh, why are you showing us this? And then I move to another slide and you're like, okay, this doesn't add up. I'm apologizing in advance because I'm just going to be packing all of these vlogs together. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm about to do groceries now. It's a Saturday and I tend to start groceries on Saturday morning, but I've been doing groceries on Fridays because it just makes my life easier on Saturday. So I like batch cook on weekends. I don't have to go to the store and all of that, but I did all the batch cooking last week, which was like the beginning of the month. So yeah, I can as well just go to the store today. I feel like I've spoken a lot, so much. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going with my husband and we're about to leave. It's drizzling and I just picked up this hair because every other hair has been, I don't know, I'm just tired of them. I really want to make my hair, guys. I want to make my hair. But shout out to one of my hair vendors that gave me this. That's been a lifesaver. This is the hair that I used in my honeymoon video that's, you know, sort of down what to finish the life and see how I like. I tried to bring it back to life. My hand is paining because I've been, you know, pulling them out and trying to separate the strands, but I think I did a good job. It's looking so far. But I'm just going to spray this now. My MNO gave me when I ordered hair, and I'm just super thankful because it's coming in handy now. Yeah, so let's go. Ooh, say hello.
I am always thinking about tomorrow. If not my fault, I'm training, I don't know.
I'm here to get tortilla wraps for my wraps and all that stuff. I think I'll get the wheat one. 9th of... No, this is too soon. What I hate the most about grocery shopping is having a list, buying everything, and getting home and forgetting that I forgot to buy something. On my way home now, I just forgot that I didn't buy cabbage. It wasn't on the list, but for the wrap I want to do, I should have bought cabbage. Now I didn't buy it.
Sit down, count my blessings. Make I enjoy this flexing, no. Me and all the passing, no. No stressing me. Sit down, count my blessings. Make I enjoy this flexing, no. Me and all the passing, no.
Timetable that I got from Amazon. Well, I've not written anything. In my last videos, I'm sure you probably saw something written on it. Oh, I'm here to update it as I update it frequently. So I'm about to make like tortilla wraps, and I have like my chicken, lettuce, avocado, and some mixed peppers that I usually like batch cuts in advance. It just makes everything easy. And I have my spices here. I'm just going to be using salt, chili flakes, and minor aromats to season this chicken. So I'm using like olive oil, just a little, and I'm using sesame oil. And that's the amount of oil I'm going to be using for this.
My bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. Bad man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a wise up. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no big good look or stature. This stuff I know. Anyhow we be, I got to face my fears. Can't run from it, no stopping me.
So for my wrap, I have this here. I used ketchup, mayo, honey, and lemon, and I mix everything together. And I have my mixed vegetables, chicken, lettuce, and avocado. So I've already warmed this up on my fry pan, the same fry pan that I used. So I'm just going to layer everything now, just so that I have a really nice wrap. Yeah. I wrapped it in this foil so that it's easier for me to eat. I know you see I'm at home, but this is how it's being sold to me when I go to buy it, and makes it like less messy. As opposed to I'm eating it from a plate. So let's dive in.
Say go call my line, but you don't waste my time. But with me, I no lie. She go come online, and I see darkness all around you, but they know I'm the light.
Hi guys, so I'm here to do my makeup. I have an outing rather, so I just want to quickly do my makeup. My brows is growing, see. So yeah, I have like an hour, and I still have to ensure that I take fine pictures because I've not gone out in a long time, and I'm just really excited. So this is what I used to moisturize my skin. Right, I already moisturized my skin with this skin mucin. So I'm not going to be showing you so much of my makeup, to be honest, because I have a makeup video. I'm going to link it. Pretty much doing the same procedure because but I forgot my primer. Just going to quickly put that now on the other part of my face. So my skin is done. You can see it's really light because I like to, I don't know, I've just not been putting so much foundation on my skin of recent, and my face is still able to breathe. So I'm going to set my eyes now. My normal routine, to be honest.
Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. Now mentality, and I'm making my
fixed my lashes, and this is what my face is looking like. Sorry for that.
Nobody could go sign. And you know everything I do is nobody else concern. So you go come online, and I see darkness all around you, but I know I'm the light. But I know I'm the light.
So this is what my outfit looks like. How do I decrease my... I didn't know that. Actually, I already said prepping earlier. I didn't know that, it was the time that we're going for. And I think that this dress is a bit big for me. I don't know. The sleeve is quite big. Oh yeah, this is my outfit. I don't remember this shoe. I just hope it's the right combo. Oh yeah.
Don't know, I am always thinking about tomorrow. If not my fault, I'm training, I don't know. I'm not perfect, but blessings keep on coming. Everybody till one more coming. So for now, I'll make do with what I have. These blessings more than half. You fish at me, make I laugh. I know go say make person matter, no matter. Me and you no get canter. My crack knows I'm not like that. Share and me no stressing me. Sit down, count my blessings. Make I enjoy this flexing, no.
Hi guys, hello. So I'm here to, I want to juice. So let me give you guys a bit of context. So this is, I got one juicer like middle of the year before my wedding, I guess, but it felt like it was wasting my fruits, so I just dumped it, and it was actually quite big. So I reached out to, I left a bad review for them on Amazon because it was wasting my fruits. So anyway, they said, they reached out to me and said that, oh, they have a new product, and they would like to ship another one to me, and this one is even like much more smaller. So they already bought it like a month ago, but I've not like gotten around to juicing or anything because I've not really had time. This is even like from the old juicer. So I'm about to unbox now and make orange juice. This is what it looks like, and yeah, so I'm just about to make orange juice. I already have my oranges cut, just to plug this and see if this one would be better, but I think I prefer it because it's really small. That one was just unnecessarily big, like what's going on? So yeah, juice bottle that I got a while ago. So this is plugged now to the source. I'm not going to, this is where I put my fruits. I already have my fruits here. They don't have to be like blended smooth, no, cut smoothly, because it's still going to like juice out everything anyway, so there's no need. This is it. So I'm going to put this first fruit here and the second one, and put this and turn it on. So this makes much more sense because the last one was really wasting fruit. See how much juice I've been able to get so far from just 2 oranges, which is way better than the last one. That last one was, in fact, it was terrible. Anyway, so I'm super excited about this one. I'm going to go and leave them another review just so that they know that this product really works. And yeah. 3 oranges will fill one of this. So I have 3 more oranges. I think I'm just going to get 3 bottles from this amount of oranges here. Rainbow outside my window. Been almost 2 years since I've been recording, and I still get very shy when I'm recording. I don't know. So this is a market, a street market where people come to get food. So I just came to get a wrap, as you see soon. Hi guys, I just came to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, leave a comment to encourage me. And yeah, just let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I think that's about it. I'm currently at work, and I ran to the toilet to end this vlog because I figured I didn't end it well. Bye.